everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and today we will be doing a unboxing. This is something from Google. I never completely opened it up yet. All I did was cut this open, took a look at the top, and when I pulled this out, I noticed the word collection. So we will be unboxing this, taking a look at it, and if it is what I think it is, or one of those three things that I think it is, then we will be doing some reviews of this product, and I'll show you all the tips and tricks and everything you need to know about all of the features of whatever this is able to do. Don't worry, I'll actually have another angle of this, just because top down will probably not give this thing justice, just because I'm not able to see a lot of this box. So back over here, what I'm able to find is the collection for the Google Pixel 9. So this is one of those Google Pixel 9 devices. I don't want to open this up just yet because I don't want to see what is inside. This is going to be the empty box of whatever could be inside of here. All right, so first up, let's move this rubber band. Looks to be pretty large. Here it is, Google Pixel 9 collection. So we are now finally back on Team Pixel. Thank you again so much, Team Pixel, for sending this out. Didn't get anything towards the beginning of the original launches, but here we are getting one of the brand new Google Pixel 9 devices. All right, so here it is, a front look of what we have. This says Google Pixel 9 collection, and this is magnetic on the front. Then as you open this up, there we go. It is lit up and everything. You can see the G down over there. So cool. Again, I guess I can see why this thing weighed 8 pounds. But here is the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And, you know, the very first thing that I'm feeling with this is there is definitely a little bit of hefty weight to it. It feels a little thick as well too, but that just feels like a premium handheld device. So I'm excited to actually get using this thing here, playing with all of the brand new features. And I just love this huge glass cube that just, you know, I'm definitely going to use this to display my phones for sure, especially when it comes down to the Google Pixel devices. I can see why this thing was 8 pounds. So now what we can do is we can finally actually open this up here just to see and make sure that that's exactly the phone that I think it is. That's at least what it feels like. So here we are. This one is going to be that porcelain color as well. So this is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL with 128 gigs of internal storage with a size of 6.8 inch. Now, I mean, one thing that I have to do here, I just got to turn off these studio lights and just get another good, nice glimpse of this box here. You can see that little G right over there in the bottom. I know it's not a big thing at all, but it's at least just a big deal for me anyways. And this was just a awesome presentation. So, beautiful, look at this. So it's all triggered from the right-hand side. I can open this up. And there is the phone. This is just the coolest presentation of a phone that I have ever seen. And another thing that I love about this is that this one is kind of like, not really like a matte white, but it's one of those that is not a glassy back. So with this being, you know, a porcelain white, you can see my fingerprints on the front, but there's nothing on the back. So this phone will always stay clean along, especially with that clean big G on the back. Big fan of that design there as well. So again, excited to play with this thing. Make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. We finally have it in the hands. It's here at Jimmy's Promo YouTube studio. Again, super excited to get a crack at this phone and get it activated. Come back with all the best tips, tricks, and features of this device and actually a true first impression, which right off the gate, love the color, love the G, I love the feel, I love the thickness, and I love the weight. But like I said from before, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you guys can view more of the upcoming videos for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Again, thank you, Team Pixel, for sending this out. I appreciate you guys. Love the display, love the presentation, and I love the first initial feel of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But let's get this thing cleaned up. Let's get it activated, and let's get going.